Well, it is no disgrace to be a follower, but on the other hand, it is no credit to remain a follower. Well, every true and great leader begins in the capacity of a follower. But if you really want to be a great leader or effective leader, you have to be an intelligent follower. You cannot follow someone blindly and you can become a leader. You cannot follow someone just for the sake of following that leader because you love that person and not doing what he is actually doing. Not trying to emulate, not trying to imbibe his knowledge, his experience, not trying to implement those things which he actually taught you directly or indirectly. So there are certain qualities which differentiate a leader from managers. There are those qualities which differentiate a leader from other tribes. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about the top 5 attributes of a great leader. And if all these 5 attributes are present in a leader, the leader is a great leader. So the number 1 thing is unwavering courage. In my past experience of last 12 years, working with different individuals and people, customers and clients, I have known and learned that no follower wishes to be with person or a leader who doesn't have courage, who doesn't have self-confidence. So the number 1 thing that you need to have as a leader is courage and confidence. You should be able to stand for what is right, not what is popular. And the second thing is self-control. It is a well-known fact that you can never become a leader if you do not have a self-control, because it is evident that if you do not have a control on yourself, you cannot control others. No follower would wish to stick with you. And the third quality and attribute is keen sense of justice. A leader cannot prevail and sustain in the long run if he doesn't have a sense of justice and fairness. That leader cannot command his follower. So there has to be a keen sense of justice in a leader. He shouldn't be biased towards people, towards systems, or to other things. Fourth and the second last attribute of a leader is definiteness of decisions. A leader who wavers in his own decisions is not sure of himself. And somebody who is not sure of himself, how can he be sure about others' success? How can he lead people to success and achieving the goal that he has? How can he make sure that he is inspiring those who are on the path to achieve their goal? It is almost impossible for a leader to inspire people if he himself is not sure about the decision, if he himself is not sure about the decisions that he has to take. And the last but not the least attribute of a leader is definiteness of plans. As you might have heard that a leader plan his work and work his plan. A leader who moves with guesswork without having a practical plan, without having a definite plan, is comparable to a car without a brake. It can meet with an accident anytime. So a leader has to have a certain plan. Leader has to have a clarity on what he really wants to do and why the leader wants to do that thing. So I hope you would have loved these 5 attributes. If you have anything to add here as an attribute of a great leader, please drop them in the comment section. I would love to hear from you as well. If you have got any questions or any feedback, you may drop in the comment section again. So today I have talked about these 5 attributes of a great leader. On the same line, on next Monday, I'm going to talk about another 5 beautiful attributes of a great leader. So there's going to be lots of learning. We are going to learn from each other. So we are going to meet next Monday with the same topic with another 5 attributes of a great leader. So till that time, have a fantastic time. Love you all. This is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off until we meet again.